Have you ever considered making your own wine or brewing beer at home? Are you worried that it's illegal? Let's discuss the legalities of making wine and brewing beer at home, as well as how much beer and wine you can make. Abraham Lincoln said it best: the great point is to bring them the real facts and beer. What kind of beer? Today we're only discussing beer made from normal alcoholic fermentation of malted barley with hops or their products, and with or without other malted or unmalted cereals. What kind of wine? Today we're only discussing wine made from the normal alcoholic fermentation of the juices of dandelions or grapes, raisins, or other fruits. The Texas Alcohol and Beverage Commission can restrict the types of ingredients used in this process to prohibit any ingredient it finds detrimental to health or susceptible to use to evade the law. Just for your peace of mind, wine or malt beverages produced under this section is not an offense if the person making it complies with all provisions of this section and the wine or malt beverages are not distilled, fortified, or otherwise altered to increase their alcohol content. In short, no moonshine. According to Texas law, the head of a family or an unmarried adult may produce for their use or the use of their family not more than 200 gallons of wine or malt beverages per year. Additionally, you should know that no license or permit is required for you to produce your family's 200 gallons of wine or malt beverages. It's commonly known that it wasn't the violent crimes that landed Al Capone in jail. It was tax evasion. Well, have no fear. Despite the state collecting heavy fees on most alcohol, your home-brewed wine or malt beverages aren't subject to these fees. With Oktoberfest now being in full swing, enjoy the festivities, but please brew and drink responsibly.